Now I am present Dinaspur Government College behind field. I introduce my department friend. They live my hardcore all body. Now start my friend Jabir.
Hey.
যা মনে চাই
না ঠিক আছে আমি প্রিপারেশন নেই তো
নাও টক নিজর
ওই চুপ চুপ ভাইবা হচ্ছে চুপ হ্যাঁ ভাইবা হচ্ছে ভাইবা
মামাই পাস
Now I introduce a person. He more bedshare girls, lot experience. Duration 100 1 hour. The great man Taruni.
Are you killing me?
Just fun.
Not fun, bro. I think that audience will think it like seriously. Okay?
Please.
So it's a very
Show your tattoo. Show your tattoo. Show your tattoo.
one kind of joking and ridiculous for me.
Tattoo
I don't want to show this tattoo. Okay, bro. Don't
Thakar boy.
actually great time among our all friends, and after a long time we have meet each other, and now we are gathering each other behind the Dinaspur Government College, and there have a beautiful view around us, lot of trees, field, and also the beautiful grass. So
Okay.
I think that time will be memorable for our future, and we will miss those type of or this type of beautiful moment in for the future. So I think, yeah, obviously this type of time will come back one more again for next time. And today I don't want to say anything, bro. Please.
Now talk legendary person.
কি বলবো হ্যালো বলবো হ্যালো হ্যালো দিয়ে দিছি তো
আচ্ছা
বাট এখন কি বল হ্যালো তুই যাবে কি উঠে এখানে যাবে তোর মুখ থেকে হ্যালো দিয়ে দে ভালো হয়ে গেছে
Now my friend great man. He told our
ফিউচার
study continental literature. This subject we exam today.
This subject is very much critical, and if we read regularly we can memorize this paragraph or something extension. So it is very
বিউটিফুল এন্ড
beautiful moment to to
stay.
gather people and what
Now introduce a person, a lover person. We call our lovely friend
ডিপার্টমেন্টাল ফ্রেন্ডস
Ripon.
পোকি বয় পোকি না